In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subscription trial period in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're signed in, make sure you're in the correct account, so you're creating the subscription in the right place. This is especially important if you manage more than one Stripe account or switch between test and live mode. From the dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Customers. This will take you to the list of customer profiles saved in your Stripe account. From here, open the customer you want to create a subscription for. If needed, take a moment to confirm that you've selected the right person before moving on, since the subscription and trial settings will be attached to that customer record. Inside the customer profile, look for the subscription section and click the plus button to create a new subscription. This opens the subscription setup area, where you can define what the customer will be billed for and when billing should begin. Next, click Add Item and choose the recurring product and price you want to use. Be sure to select a recurring price rather than a one-time price, since trials only make sense as part of an ongoing subscription. This is the point where you're deciding exactly what plan the customer will start after the trial ends. After that, scroll down until you find subscription options. In this section, enable the trial period setting. Once it's turned on, Stripe will give you the option to either enter a specific number of trial days or choose an exact trial end date. If you already know how long the free trial should last, entering the number of days is usually the quickest option. If you need the trial to finish on a certain calendar date, choosing the end date can give you more control. Before you finalize anything, review the subscription details carefully. Double-check the selected product, pricing, and trial settings to make sure everything looks right. This helps avoid mistakes and ensures the customer gets the correct experience when the subscription starts and when the trial ends. When everything is confirmed, click Create Subscription. Stripe will then create the subscription with the trial period you set, and the customer will remain in trial status until that period expires based on your chosen settings. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.